go around this evening. Our first set's going to feature Molly, Sean, Amelia, Tim, Taryn, and myself with Chase on the piano. We need one volunteer from the audience. We're gonna give it anyone but Mila. Yeah, come on up.
Andrew? Awesome, what year are you?
17.
Cool, that's exciting. How was the last kind of like year of your life been?
It's been a blur.
Wow. Hopefully with some bright spots. So Andrew, where are you from?
San Francisco.
No way. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. I'll be moving there soon with some friends. Alright. So you like San Francisco?
I do. Yeah.
Was it tough to come somewhere so different here in Ann Arbor?
It was a little cold.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we can all agree with that. Yeah, it's cool. Do you have like a favorite meal?
I'm a big fan of lasagna.
Ooh, lasagna. Alec, you like lasagna?
I'm a big Italian fan myself. I'm pretty chicken parmesan, but that's.
You know, to each his own. He takes all types of it. You're going to
So Andrew, what'd you do today? Anything exciting? I did normal.
I took a nap.
Oh!
Yeah. We are remembering dreams. Long nap, short nap. Short nap, alright. In new REM cycle, getting there.
Were you tired? Have you been like working on something or exercising or getting something done? It's okay if not.
Not really.
No. Where do you live on this?
I live on McLean 1.
Oh my god, right over there. You're chasing for me. GTA. God, that's really cool. Have you ever been on any like cool trips or gone anywhere that you really loved? I mean, San Francisco probably pretty cool.
Yeah. I went backcountry skiing. It was really great.
No way, where?
Utah.
Oh, cool. Is backcountry like a place?
It's the absence.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, wow. Write a poem about that.
All right, Andrew, thank you very much.
Mommy, it's happening. I'm turning into a blur. You're too young. You're too young. You're way too young. I know. My feet are losing pigment. I don't know if I can walk anymore, Mommy. Only how I did the school, how I pick up the groceries. Sit down, Jeremiah. Oh, what if I fall to the chair? Jeremiah, we're not like other families. It starts from the ground up, but eventually it's just all a blur. All of it. So you want to be like me? You learn to fight it. You learn to fight it hard. You gotta keep your identity at bay and realize who you are. You're a person. You're not a blur. At the heart of it all, we're all people, not blurs. Just because some families are different. When I go to school, they'll say, "Hey, you blur, get out of here." They'll say, "No, come on, man. You got something special here. You just don't know it yet."
All right.
Listen, I wanted to go to a spa. I have very sensitive skin.
This was my turn to choose the vacation. All right. I wanted to go outside with you.
Have you ever thought that it might be a mistake to have a whole relationship based on taking turns? It's like breakfast. You pick pancakes.
I love them.
For lunch, I'll choose a soup.
I like to be cool, Trail.
At dinner time, well, that's your choice.
Chicken parmesan.
I said I wanted a son. You said okay. The next one was a dog. I'm good at this quite suddenly. As if I'm being helped by a power higher than myself.
Listen to me.
You're right, it's your turn to talk.
When we take turns, everything's better. It's how you start a family.
All right, maybe you're right. But here's one time when you were wrong. You said we'd go out to a party. That party sucked.
Jimmy, I'm so tired.
You're not going to be tired after you have this special finals lasagna. At least with that roll.
I don't want to study. Can I just take a nap? I was like an hour today. I'm done.
Maureen, once you eat the lasagna, everything's going to change for you, alright? You're going to see more clearly. You're going to see everything more clearly. It's like you're going to be talking forever and no one's ever going to stop you, you know what I mean?
Okay.
It's my special recipe. It's my own
Okay.
lasagna. So. You feel it? Yeah, right? You start getting it faster and faster. Yeah, no, get right in there. Throw the rest of it on the ground.
Holy crap. I have so much energy now. Let's go climb a mountain.
Calm down. First, you have to study a little bit.
Okay. Wait, how much?
Sit down.
Go.
Sit down.
I got things to do in the world.
Show yourself.
Okay, I'll study.
First off, you should probably clean up my room. Wow, you listen to me better now that you're high.
Jimmy, I just want to say thank you because I don't really understand what's happening, but I can read this whole book in like 30 seconds. I just finished Ordo.
Sixth floor, gonna change to picture books of 5 pages or less. You can study faster than you've ever studied.
I'm gonna take every class. I'm gonna learn the material from every class that's offered this semester, and I'm gonna take every final. This is taking a really long time.
You sure pot a lot better hot.
Just 3 squirrels on moving day. Did you guys ever think we'd say goodbye to this old apartment?
I feel like it was yesterday when we moved in. The new oak, the smell of fresh honey from the bees that we scared away because they were pests.
Fuck bees. Sooner or later, we're gonna get Damien socialized. He's gonna get up his feral habits. Damien, come sit at the table. What's the deal with Damien?
getting nervous. I didn't think you'd come. You said 7 o'clock sharp.
I know the traffic. It's like 7:02.
It's fine. I was just standing out here all dressed up, ready to go, and I was just worried you'd
Yeah, no, I'm here.
forget me again.
Yeah, no. And that was one time I slept through dinner. It was awkward. We moved past it, right? We moved past it.
Third chances.
Third chances.
Don't blow it. I might give you another one, but after that, I don't know. Think about it.
Pressure on a date, like starting out like last chance.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, we can go inside.
okay. Yeah. Cool. Great.
So this is some restaurant you chose.
Yeah. It's cozy. It's a little small. I thought you said you liked Italian, but maybe. We should go somewhere else too. I don't like it.
I said Japanese, the same thing. Doesn't matter.
We finally made it. Our first family vacation. Yeah. Look at this. This is the absence of a place. It's the perfect spot for the Blur family, Mommy.
I can't believe Grandpa made it. Sandwiches for our picnic. I know your grandpa.
Grandpa, this is the first time I've seen you in months. Would you please leave us alone?
You think they show up on camera?
Are these the kids at school?
They are, Mommy. They followed us here.
Wealthy tourists.
We're normal. But we're not, but we're still cool. Get away, get away!
You don't understand.
Alright? It's my turn to get to pick the third for the threesome. This is Elena. I know you like blondes, tall blondes, you know what? With a heavy set redhead. It's my turn, and you just have to deal with it. Oh, you're brushing your teeth.
I want a shower. I want my baby.
Do this, you
Yeah.
Come on, honey. What's on that toothbrush? I think I'm coming around to a relationship made of choices. I'm an only child. I never had to take turns. Change my life for the better. Our threesomes are so diverse.
Yes. I'm so glad you're coming around to this changing time.
Sing the whole time.
When you share, everything is better now.
Just call Elena a cow.
I hear you've been having trouble opening up to people.
Don't get me.
Dean, I catch you.
Yeah, you chipmunks are so cool.
Just gotta open up to people. Give them a chance.
I bring him around with me. It's where I store my nuts.
Past is the past. The only thing we can change is the future.
Well, do tell me more.
Always gotta give people a shot. They're not all squirrels.
Give me a shot. And you may not know it's not life, so I worked that.
That's the past. We all got past things that
Sometimes I hate you because I'm wrong.
Why can't they understand?
Look, I know last time I was just like really tired, but this time I'm just like really nervous and I can't calm down. And I don't really know what to do because I'm getting married tomorrow and I don't know what to do and I just can't stop talking. I think it's really freaking everybody out.
Just calm down. Read or something. Take it and everything's gonna change for you. That's your magical world. I'm still behind you, but it looks like we're heading together. I'm not in heaven.
Probably because you're selling me drugs. Seems like an immoral thing to do.
Hey, well, I know he's in a better place.
Grandpa's lost it! He used to be my source of wisdom! Now he's gone total blur! No man! He's lost himself! He's a lesson for us! No, Mom! He's made it to the blur world! That's where we belong! He's so peaceful! One row. He's gone! He's gone! I'm missing Father, I feel that's where we should go to. No! You gotta listen to me! We stay here. We coexist between blood and man. Some survive unfinding and we stay there. No, Mom! I'm tired of being a blood and man's world or a man who should be a blood and man's world. It's just not wrong. Look at him! Who are you gonna choose? Apparently him!
I'm a chipmunk now.
I mean, you can't be a chipmunk. It doesn't work like that.
You can't just change who you are.
Look how I painted my back. It's different now. Chipmunk style.
I hope.
Okay, and I suppose you think that now that you're a chipmunk, all your problems just disappear. Such a fad. Chipmunks.
You've been up for just as long as us, right? Squirrels don't get me. The chipmunks do.
They'll reject you in a month or two. Just wait till you find out about his peanut allergy.
It's the past. We forget about that.
He was the mayor of this town.
The squirrels don't get me. I get. No one ever picks me for threesomes.